Hey everybody, it's Jonesy. I know you've all been waiting for this hellhole video, and so have I. Unfortunately, I lost 2 SD cards that had all the footage from the GoPros. I was able to scrum up this iPhone clip, as well as a couple clips from Coach Russ. Smashed them all together. Hopefully you guys enjoy this. Alright, if you do not try to go here on your own. It's very dangerous, alright? I went with guys that have been there 5+ times, alright? So they made sure I was safe, alright? Be careful when you're out there exploring. Hope you enjoy the video. Stay Jonesin.
New fitted, nice.
Will you film this on this camera? See Monterey in the distance on the left.
We're in.
We are in.
There's Alex. How you doing, buddy?
Doing good, Alex?
Yeah.
All the articles I find online are like, this is where most people stop their journey.
That's, yeah, probably true.
Alex, what up?
Oh, this is awesome.
What up?
You can see the steam coming off us down here in the video.
It's a little cooler down here. Reach in, that's the very edge. Almost. Get your foot here. You got this. Ropes are helping.
Oh, I can see.
Yeah, I'd like to send a thank you out to whoever installed the rope I'm using now.
Thank you.
Nice of you to leave it here for us.
Kev?
First of the faces.
Hey,
Yeah.
Kev, can I drop this?
We're only down here.
Yeah, I think we go over the first one, down the second one.
How are we doing in there?
All right, everybody, we've made it to the Hall of Faces. Got this Mac Miller sticker. Hopefully it's gonna live on forever down here.
Mud encrusted box.
We got a journal in here. Let's see what's written in this thing. Is it just me, or does the tight-fitting tunnels make my leak? I like it. Can't wait for the next time. Send female firefighters. We are desperate for food and water. Side note, the gritty, coarse cave mud grinds me like sandpaper. We made it Took a while and we lost Morty on the way down. This will be his grave for being a little piece of shit. Forever Explorers, Juan Barragan, Shahar Dubir, and Carlos Lavelle. Nick and Ali, these are in August, September. 4 down here. I can't read what that says. Being to Juan and Sahar. I'm Juan. He drew a photo of himself. I think he's a doctor. I don't know. That's just his lamp. Wow, we got to add our names to the list, guys.
Go ahead, man. Write it.
All right. Well, yeah. There it is. Brandon made it the way. Group of 2, 0 experience, full send at Brandon W. Gross, baby. Yeah. Get this. Next page. Today's date, 12/15/19. Alex, Jones, Russell, R-U-S-S, and Kevin. Mm-hmm. Do you want just Kevin the Bull?
Lost for 3 days.
Yeah.
Getting hungry. Broke.
Lost for 3 days. We ate the toothpaste.
Do not left tunnel, comma, Cthulhu. Evil Cthulhu who like...
Alright, we got our names in the book. Mac Miller sticker right here, you think? The king, baby. Heading back. Up there. I'm kind of very peaceful.